Hey friends, welcome back to my studio. I'm so glad you're here. I'm really excited to paint another ornament. The holiday season is coming up, so I thought we would paint the polar bear. Okay, let's get started. Hey, I've decided on ultramarine blue, and I showed you in the time lapse, but you probably couldn't see the tubes very well. Quinacridone magenta. It's one of my favorite colors. And it's gonna sound funny, but titanium white is one of my favorite colors. You use it a lot, and it's what kind of can turn the lights on in an ornament painting. Here, let's see if I can. So I splattered this with snow. I added a little white with just a hint of green. I think, of course, here's the yellow azo I used with the magenta to mix the reds. Also gives it a nice glow. But I think that's just really fun when you kind of turn the lights on. And then here I have this light area here with the lighter greens in the background. I don't know if that was the best example. Oh, here, maybe this is a better example. So that was one of my new ornaments. I have a total of 12 ornament traceables on my website, and you can use them for other things. They don't have to be ornaments. This one's kind of fun, where I've got a nice light area, warm area against the cool, and then like some whites up in there. I think that's fun. Okay, got a little sidetracked. So I'm thinking purple for the polar bear scarf, and maybe in the hat too. I've got the word love. I wrote that on there with watercolor pencils from Michaels. I don't know if there's anything else I need to tell you. I'm going to mix a really dark purple for the background and maybe even lean towards a blue, more blue if this is going to be purple. So I'm thinking purple, I don't know which stripe, purple and white. Maybe I'll go purple, white, purple, white. White for the polar bear. Oh, we could mix some muted pinks for the nose. Yeah, I'm definitely going to lean towards blue for the background. Okay, guys, I'll be back in a bit. Hey friends, not much to say other than a couple coats really helps. I really like it. I like layers with acrylic paints. Not totally sure what I'm going to do, but I think I'm gonna paint over the cheeks or stipple or something. I think I'll paint the nose black next, the paws, and then probably hat, scarf, and then the white polar bear last. I just thought I'd stop in and say hi. Hope you're liking this one, and I'll be back in a bit. thought I'd stop here for a minute and let you get a closer look. It's turning out cute. I'm going to use grays, light grays for the polar bear, just to get some shading and some fur. You could leave it white, really. It looks cute. And then I'll splatter it. I'll thin down some white paint and then just splatter a little on there. Just like I did in this full cardinal video. I'm not sure which is going to post first. They'll post close together. And then I'll wire it. Oh, in the live on October 27th, 2021, I show how to wire an ornament. I don't know if I mentioned that already. So this is what I mean by wire. I'm going to wire this guy. Okay. I hope you're having fun with these. I'm having a blast. I'll be back in a bit. Hey, I am done, and it turned out really cute. I left the canvas white. Sorry guys, I didn't realize my voice was so rough. So that's white canvas right here. And if it needed a little touching up, I just took some white paint and smoothed the edges. I took a little bit of lighter gray paint to blend it in a little bit on the side of the face. Here, do you want to look at the puff on his hat? So that's canvas showing where it's white, and then some white paint to make the little furry edges. Isn't that fun? I think it turned out really sweet. I hope you enjoyed this one. I hope you're enjoying the ornaments. Let me know which one's your favorite this year. Here, I'm going to hold it sideways so it fits. I have to do the snowman video. I haven't done that one yet. Let me know which one's your favorite, or if you like one of the older ones. I have 2 other sets of 4 on my website, annietroe.com, if you want to paint one of those. Let me know which ones you like the best. I think I said that a few times. Really appreciate you spending your time with me. I hope this brightened your day. Great, big, happy art hugs, and I hope to chat with you soon. Bye, guys.